Hello everyone, it's Lillian here from Cuisines and Wellness. To our returning subscribers, I say welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Today I'll be teaching you how to make banana bread in the confines of your home. Let's get right into it. Using a fork, mash the ripe or overripe bananas in a clean bowl and set it aside. In a separate bowl, add 250 grams of melted butter and half cup of sugar. Add 3 eggs to the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Add the initially mashed bananas to the mixture and mix again. Yeah, I know we'll be doing a lot of mixing, but for you to get that rich, delicious banana bread, you need to mix. It's very necessary. Now I'll be adding the nutmeg, salt, baking powder, and vanilla. Pour half a cup of milk to the mixture. Add the flour to the mixture. These are final ingredients, and after that mix everything together. At this junction, my oven is already on and preheating at the maximum temperature there is. After you finish mixing, get a baking pan. I prep my baking pan by adding parchment paper to the inside. This helps prevent the mixture from sticking directly to the pan. It also aids easy detachment after baking. Now you pour the mixture into the prepped pan. If you look closely, you'll see some air bubbles in our mixture, and we wouldn't want that to be there, so this is how I get rid of them. Simply tap the mixture against a flat surface to get rid of the bubbles, just like what I'm doing here. Do not bake at high temperatures, it might get your mixture burnt and you won't get your desired result. Set your oven temperatures at 120 degrees Celsius and bake for 3 hours. Here you have it, guys, our sweet, rich banana bread. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.